Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create a new project on Pycharm. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, first of all you have to click on this file icon. Then guys click on this new project. Now guys you have to now you have to choose your project location. First guys you have to type here desktop, then guys select then your folder name. So guys, after putting your file location, you have to click on create, then click on this window. So guys, now you have to wait for a second. Now guys, now you are done. So guys, thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So if you want to get more computer related video, then guys please subscribe to this channel and you have to press the bell icon. So thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.